Hey, it's Brian.
It's Karen.
It's Hadley. And Candy.
Here we are. Did some behind the scenes work today, but some of it you can actually see. Oh, where's my hat? That wall was finished. Finished up this wall. Run a wire. Where am I at? Run a wire to my plug-in there. Actually, my plug-in right there. Finished up this wall. Cleaned out the laundry room. Fixing to replace the floor in it. Replace some wall. And then finish it up. The bathroom. Didn't do much on it today. I can't close this wall up yet because of my light. Using my light. And I can't. Well, I guess I can show you. All this wood I've collected over the years, I was going to build a tiny house out of. Some of this wood come from an old barn that was 100 years old. Some of it come from a house that I salvaged that was built in 1851 in Enterprise, Mississippi. And I've had it stored in here. A bunch of true 2x4s and 1x6s. All down the side here was siding, and same out here in the floor. Then fell over. Was siding in that old house. See a bunch of that old barn wood leaned up against the wall in there. I got a bunch more of the siding laid up there. Gotta get all the lead paint off of it and clean it down. That's what's going on the walls. Got a bunch of the wood here, beadboard here. Some old shells they had in here. Some of it was hand hewed with an axe. Not that one. I'll be able to show you more with that one. Here it is right here. Been hand hewed with an axe. I don't know if you can tell. That was on that old barn. This is siding on it. This is the old pallet wood and little pieces I've been collecting. Old part of an old piano that my grandmother taught me how to play on. The piano just was no longer good, but I've kept some parts. I'm gonna put a shelf and actually our utility closet that goes to our hot water heater is going to be built out of that. Not that piece, but the piece of it. Still got the hinge part over there. The wood over here. Another piece of salvaged out of that old house. The vanity mirror. Gotta go in Hadley's room somewhere. Or in her bathroom. More old wood. More old wood. What y'all see up in there? Some old bottles I collected. Just a bunch of junk. But this bunch of junk is going to be our house. And as far as I know, tomorrow I might have to do another video to show y'all. But this bunch of junk going out that door. I'm gonna put it on some crates and cover it because it is time to start tearing this kitchen and living room down. We're gonna tear the walls down, get the insulation out, check the wiring, replace wiring, replace and check the floors, and then we're putting insulation back in, putting walls back up. Got a lot of stuff coming. We're gonna do the plywood floors, plywood plank floors. Just overlooking, doing our homework. That just looks the best to us. And it's gonna match these walls. You can hear that one. You can barely hear that one, but they're open on the back. This one, it's closed on the back. Closed on the back. They're very solid. This one's open on the back, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Still got a bunch of insulation over there. I don't know if y'all saw that, but it's getting there. We still got a bunch of wood too. It has been too long. We need to get it done before winter. That's what I'm thinking. We're going to at least try to get living room and kitchen done. Hadley's room, she can camp out with us until we get it, because our bedroom's going to be a double. Or we got a couch, yeah. We're going to get it done. Her room is kind of small. It won't take but a couple of weeks since we'll be over here. We'll knock it out pretty quick. I got a bunch of big things I want to tell y'all about the kitchen, but can't really do that right now because just a bunch of stuff in here. Do y'all collect stuff? Do y'all collect stuff? I do. I was really going to build a tiny house, and I was collecting all the stuff to do that. So far, all this wood is free. I haven't paid $1 for none of it, other than going and getting it and tearing it down. I did buy new electrical boxes, plates, wiring, and plumbing will be new. Some of it. I got a bunch that I'm talking to some contractor friends, and what they don't use, I'm getting, maybe little pieces here and there, but hey, it adds up. But I think I'm done with it for today. We'll talk to y'all later.